Hi, today we're going to be checking out the Vayepro Griddle Skillet. Love it!
Here's what comes in the box with the skillet. Definitely read up. Let's keep the skillet in good working condition. Here are the handles and the hardware. Notice the holes on the side? Grab a screwdriver, line up the screws, and go. Installing the handles is quick and easy, and the skillet looks amazing. Even the underside looks well made. I got the version with the lid. Following instructions is easy on this one too. There are just a couple more pieces. Let's do it. Professional skillet. Let's put this heavy-duty skillet on the stove and get cooking. It doesn't hurt to use a little bit of nonstick cooking spray. The gas stovetop heats up the skillet. Steak, it's what's for dinner. This surface gets really hot. Everything will get cooked throughout. Just flip as necessary. Perfect. Who's hungry? Who's ready for some avocado toast? Gotta make some eggs for this. This skillet rocks with eggs. The steam nicely comes out the steam holes on the lid. Of course, you know we want over medium eggs. Let's flip them. Avocado toast is served. And who said cleaning the skillet had to be a chore? This cleans up well by hand or in the dishwasher. Wonderful product. Thanks for listening and watching my video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.